Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the recipes for Destruction 2 and Destruction 3 Abyss Gears in Crimson Desert. Now over on the Craft Abyss Gear here from Elwyn, pretty much the first witch that you're going to meet at chapter 5, over on our crafting, go over to the Synthesis category and you should be able to find the recipes to make Tier 2 and Tier 3 Abyss Gears. However, the Destruction Abyss Gear isn't really here. You have to get that recipe from a different witch. Now for you to find the recipes for both of those Abyss Gears, you have to meet the Witch of Strength right here, Arisiel, over in the Crimson Desert. She's located here at Ordava, right to the west of Crimson Desert and a little bit over to northeast of Forbear's Barrens. We do have a video of how to find her more effectively, so you might want to check that out if you don't know where she is. Now over on her workshop, press buy and you should see the gear blueprint for both the Destruction and the Insight Abyss Gears. This will allow you to unlock Tier 2 Destruction and Tier 3 Destruction, and if you also buy the recipe for Insight, you can also craft the same Tier 2 and Tier 3 Abyss Gears. Now make sure to check into your inventory and then learn the blueprint. Once you've done learning the blueprint, approach her back on her workshop, go to Craft Abyss Gear, and you should see that Destruction 2 and Destruction 3 are now available for crafting. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the recipes for Destruction 2 and 3 Abyss Gear in Crimson Desert.